everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Krisan and today I will be doing MOONBYUL's look in her Eclipse music video. So I'm just taking my hair out of the way, best to clip it, put it in a hairband, and I also put foundation on already. You're free to use any foundation you're comfortable with, and we're gonna do the eyeshadow. But before that, I have to put on some lip balm, so I'm just using some Vaseline to keep my lips soft. So with the eyeshadow, I'm using a warm tone palette. With my eyeshadow brush, I am going to get a nude, almost like a flesh color, light peach, put it on my eyelids. This is just the base color. I wanted to soften the bottom layer first, and you can put as little or as many as you'd like since it's supposed to match closely to your skin tone. I also put this under my eyes to give it some more depth and shadow. So now I am using a almost terracotta color, sienna color, and putting it all over my eyelids. So put this all over your eyelid and try to keep it as neatly placed as possible. Also, make sure to follow the shape of your eye. That really helps. And then use a blending brush to disperse the color. Okay, next up we're gonna be using the same colored glitter, pressed glitter. So I'm just using an eyeshadow brush and see how pigmented it is. And I am going to put it all over my eyelids, as close to the lash line as possible. This is because MOONBYUL has this similar look in her music video, and I just wanted to achieve that this way. It's best to press the glitter in instead of just spreading it around. So next up, I am going to be getting some red glitter and just adding more color on my lids. I'll also add some of this reddish tone to the lower lash line, just in the corner part, just to add a little more depth and color. Then using my blending brush once again to disperse the color all over my eyelid. Next up, I'm gonna get my angled flat brush and get the glitter, like a pale glitter nude, and put it in the inner corner and lower lash line. This is just going to give my eyes a pop of color, highlight it, also make my eyes look less sleepy as well. So next up, flat brush again, and I will get some dark brown, and this dark brown is just going to give my eyes more depth. Again, so I'll put it in the outer corner of my eyes. Just keep it as close to the lash line as possible, then blend it inwards. There's no right or wrong way to do this. This is just outer corner, blend it as much as you can. I wanted to create a darker shadow, so I used the eyebrow powder to do this. So you're free to use eyeshadow powder as well, and I put it in the lower corner to connect the eye line. Yeah. Okay, after this, I will be tight lining my eyes with black gel eyeliner. This just means I am lining the waterline on my upper and lower lid. Be very careful, and this just gives it a very natural look. Also, I will be getting some warm brown, a light brown almost, and just dispersing the color once again and blending it. I felt like it needed a little bit more color, so I did this. Then using the same blending brush, I will get some contour powder or dark brown eyeshadow is okay. Then I will be contouring my face. So I'm gonna start with my nose. So starting from the inner corner of my eyebrow, the inner part, I will be blending it towards the tip, and just do light strokes first, then you can eventually darken it, then disperse the color. I love using a blending brush for this because it creates a very natural effect. So a lot of K-pop idols do this. Oh, don't forget the tip of the nose as well. So a lot of K-pop idols do this because after putting on foundation, your face is a blank canvas, so you need that depth, that color, and that 3D effect, and that's what contouring gives. Also, don't forget the jawline. I don't have a jaw. A lot of K-pop idols love to do this to further enhance their features, especially on stage where there are bright lights and, you know, the 3D effect of your face just completely disappears. Don't forget to check both sides. Okay, now I'm using a fluffy angled brush and the same contouring powder to further shadow my face. I'm going to suck in my cheeks and give my cheekbones more definition. So this is mainly because my cheeks are much fluffier than MOONBYUL, so I just wanted to have the similar effect. And I will get some finishing powder and a powder brush just to dust off the fallout from the eyeshadow. So using an angled brush, I am going to do my eyebrow. So I'm using this kit and I'm using the darkest colors. So this could be a gray brown, a dark brown. Just don't go all the way black. It's best to go like dark gray, if you will. And I am doing this in the shape that is my personal favorite shape, which is a curved straight eyebrow, which is the eyebrow I naturally have, but I straightened it a little more to match MOONBYUL's look and her eyebrows in the music video. So last but not the least, I will be doing my lips. I have this color. So this is a old rose color. It's best to choose a color that is closest to your lips, but before that, make sure to put concealer on your lips to kill whatever natural shade you have and dust off some powder on it. Then you put the color and blend it out. I wanted to blur the lips a little more and put color in the middle, so I'm using this lipstick to add more nude lip color in the middle. Then lastly, we will be doing the eyelashes. So I just have a natural set eyelash here. I curl my eyelashes first so that it will naturally blend into the eyelashes. Then I will put on the eyelashes. So there we go, a natural set. I will blend my natural lashes into the falsies with some mascara. I like using volumizing mascara for this. Okay, last but not the least, I will be putting some silver glitter on my eyelashes. This is loose cosmetic grade glitter. Please make sure to use cosmetic grade. Put some eyelash glue on the tip of your falsies and put the glitter with a thin brush. Please do this very carefully. And I did say cosmetic grade glitter because your normal run-of-the-mill glitter will not cut it and be safe for your eyes. Brush off the excess and look at how pretty it looks. Actually, the look is already finished, but I want to add the small detail that MOONBYUL had in her music video. So I'm just using this cell phone stickers. They're decals actually that you can buy in any store, and I'm using the silver ones and putting it on my face. So she had this in her music video, and on her live performances she uses different kinds, but I wanted to do this one since it's the easiest. And that is it. Now I'm gonna go get dressed and fix my hair. Ta-da! This is my final look. I hope you guys like it. So I am wearing all white just like her and put on some earrings. My hair, I swept it off to one side and I love the look. Like when I saw the look in the music video, I fell in love with it because it was very dainty but very strong at the same time, and I love the color on her eyes as well as the glitter effect on the eyelashes. Okay, I just wanted to show you how this will look without the sign that is on the face. So it is a very pretty look. It's very dainty actually. I would love to wear this to events because of the little glitter on the eyelashes. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup tutorial of MOONBYUL's Eclipse look. Do comment in the comment section below for any suggestions, or if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification for updates. Bye! I'll see you in the next one.